yourself, I'm at the peak. I'm gonna challenge that. You're not yet at the peak because every time you're at the top spot, you forget to realize that there's another top spot on top. And another person's gonna shout out, nope, that's not the peak. There is a higher peak. Example nito is, akala mong gwapo-gwapo mo, di ka kasi lumalabas ng bahay. Yung mga nakaka-relate, oh. And then when you finally get out of the house, you realize and you tell to yourself, gosh, I thought I was already good looking, and then I get to compare myself to a different benchmark, and there are so way better styles that I do. We call this in psychology as the reference bias, the tendency of an individual to only compare themselves to those who are conveniently around them. So you get to be misled to think that you're good even if you're not yet. I'm going to be that motivational speaker who will say that I do not believe that you should only race against yourself. Have you heard that, by the way? Have you seen that those memes on the internet? Right? Some people would tell you, don't compare yourself versus others. Race only against yourself. I disagree. Why? If you were born in a very humble village where the standards are so low, that's going to be your benchmark. And then nasurpass mo lang ng konti, akala mo, ganda-ganda mo na. Right? This is why my mantra in life is this. Please remember, if you think you're so damn good, remember that sometimes your ceiling could just be someone else's floor. I'm gonna make that sink in again. Sometimes your ceiling could just be someone else's floor. When you are at the top spot, you keep on looking downwards. Why? Everyone is looking up to you. You forget to look upwards because there are other mountains and trees taller than yours.